Good day mga green. Kasama ba sa bilang ng 15 days ang Sabado at Linggo? Paano ang holiday? Yes, Saturdays and Sundays are included in 15 days period because these are calendar days, not working days. Under Republic Act number 7160 or the Local Government Code, weekends and holidays are counted toward the 15 days mediation period. This is because the Katarungang Pambarangay tracks times using continuous calendar days, and the law does not specify that only working days should be counted. Hearings or mediation sessions can actually be scheduled on these days if both parties and the mediator agree. Therefore, mediation and conciliation can take place even on Saturdays, Sundays, or holidays. Once the 15 days countdown begins, it runs continuously from Monday to Sunday, including holidays. Yun lang mga green.